Issuing an emergency order of prohibition to ground all flights of the 737 MAX 8 and the 737 MAX 9 and planes associated with that line. All of those planes are grounded, effective immediately.
Breaking news just a short time ago, President Donald Trump issuing an executive order joining the rest of the world in grounding the Boeing 737 MAX 8 and 9s. This major announcement coming after Sunday's crash in Ethiopia, which killed 157 people. The president says he had to take that action to ensure the safety of all Americans traveling. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. First at 4, I'm Darlene Hill. Now, this isn't the first issue with the Boeing 737s. Just 6 months ago, a Lion Air flight, also 737 MAX, crashed off the coast of Indonesia after problems with the system, killing 189 people. In today's news, already affecting travelers in Columbus. Tyler Carter joining us now live from John Glenn International Airport with more on this developing story. Tyler.
Yeah, the ticket line here behind me at Southwest, it has been fluctuating all day with passengers, but the big question is what is going to happen to those flights expecting to take off this afternoon, and what about those flights that are already in the air? All the people that I've spoken with said they were scheduled to fly on a Boeing 737 MAX 8 plane during their connecting flights to their destinations. Most of those were going to be in Dallas. At the time, many travelers said they were not concerned about flying, but they trust the FAA and pilots flying the planes. Now that President Trump has ordered an immediate grounding, travelers say Boeing needs to take accountability and figure out what the problem is.
Clearly, Boeing needs to take care of something, and then I would say each aircraft company needs to have, some sort of say in where, what kind of planes they're ending up getting.
It's important to note that airport officials here at John Glenn International Airport say only Southwest Boeing 737 MAX 8 planes fly out of John Glenn International periodically on the weekend. American Airlines and United Airlines do not fly their MAX planes out of CMH. I reached out to Southwest Airlines for a comment, and this is what a spokesperson for the airlines has said in a statement. Southwest Airlines is immediately complying with today's FAA requirement for all U.S. airlines to ground the Boeing 737 MAX 8. As a result, we have removed our 34 MAX 8 aircrafts from scheduled services. The airlines say they're also allowing customers that were supposed to be scheduled to be on one of these MAX planes to go ahead and rebook their flight or see if there's an alternate flight that they can get on. They have to do that between the day of their actual flight day and within 14 days. Live and local for you at John Glenn International Airport, Tyler Carter, NBC4.
All right, Tyler, thank you so much for that useful information.